All right. So I'm having dinner, and I have company. And he won't leave me alone because he wants some of this. Dexter, you want some? Want some of this? Yeah? You want it real bad? You want it real bad? Yeah? 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 How bad? How bad do you want it? Ooh. You want it real bad? Yeah? Are you going to leave me alone if I give you some? I don't know if that's a yes or no, but I'm going to take a chance. All right. Here we go. And it looks like I'm getting a new spoon. All right, get the last of it. Yeah. Yep. All right. That's it. That's all you get. Now, you going to leave me alone? No, you can't have any more. All right. Let's see if I can finish my dinner in peace as soon as I get a new spoon.